There comes a point when the life you once prayed for, the one that felt so familiar and safe, no longer feels like home. You wake up one day and realize that the conversations, routines, and even the people you used to surround yourself with don't quite fit anymore. It's not because you stopped caring, it's because you've grown. And growth has a way of making the old feel smaller. Outgrowing your old life is lonely. It's like shedding skin you've worn for years, only to step into something new that no one else around you seems to understand yet. You find yourself smiling in rooms where you no longer feel connected. You laugh at jokes that don't really resonate. You scroll through memories wondering how something that once felt familiar, that once felt so alive, now feels so distant. The hardest part isn't letting go of the past. It's realizing the past has already let go of you. You start craving deeper conversations. You start yearning for different dreams. You look at your old goals and realize that they don't excite you anymore. Even if you once swore they were your everything. You catch yourself daydreaming about places you've never been, people you haven't met yet, and a version of yourself that feels more aligned, more whole, more you. And yet, in between that craving for more and the comfort of what used to be, there's there's loneliness. Because outgrowing doesn't happen all at once. You don't suddenly step into your new life with open arms and a cheering crowd. No. Growth is quieter, slower, and often isolating. There are days when you feel like you're betraying the person you used to be, or disappointing the person who only know that version of you. There are nights when you wonder if you've made a mistake, if maybe you should shrink back to fit into the old life that everyone else still recognizes. But deep down, you know you can't, because once you've outgrown it, you can't unknow it, you can't unfeel it. And that's where the beauty hides inside the loneliness. It's proof you're moving forward. It's proof that you're becoming someone who wants more than comfort. Someone who's brave enough to choose growth, even when it feels like walking alone. Outgrowing your old life isn't about abandoning your past. It's about honoring who you were, while daring to step into who you're meant to be. Yes, it's lonely, but it's also where you'll meet yourself more deeply than ever before. And in time, you'll find new people, new places, and new dreams that make the season of loneliness worth it. Because this loneliness, it's not the end of the story, it's the bridge.